GoTyme is probably a lesser-known finance app compared to GCash, but it has brought a lot of innovation and convenience that many traditional and digital banks have dared not venture into. And today we're going to talk about one of the features that differentiates GoTyme from the rest of the pack. Hi, my name is Florante, and if this is your first time here on the Freelance channel, I make tutorial videos, reviews, unboxing, and mobile app video walkthroughs. If this is something you are interested in, be sure to hit subscribe. If you're from the province, getting a replacement for your ATM card, for most of the banks, it will take days, if not weeks. And if there's a typhoon or earthquake, it can even take longer. It's not only a huge inconvenience, it's a time-consuming process. GoTyme makes all that a thing of the past. Because with GoTyme, you can do the whole process and get your card in minutes. Here's how to do it. First, open the GoTyme app and log in to your account. Tap on your physical card, and on your card window, tap Cancel Card. Then, choose the appropriate reason for canceling your existing card. Tap Cancel Card. You now have successfully canceled your card. Now that you have completed the cancellation process, let's go ahead and find a nearby kiosk to get a new card. Tap Done. Tap Find a Kiosk. Then, tap Find a Kiosk Nearby. Scroll up to check on the list of locations. You can also use the search bar and just type your location. Tap Go to see the available locations in your area. The next thing you need to do is to head over to your chosen location and look for the GoTyme kiosk like this. You will also find some GoTyme representatives who can assist you if you need help. So to get started, on the machine screen, you will see two options. The first one is to open a new account, and the next one is log in. Now, since you're just printing or replacing your card, tap Login. Then key in your username and passcode. Take note that the printing of a new card has a 200 peso fee, so make sure that your account has enough funds before you proceed. If all's good, tap Print Now. Then, tap Let's Do It. You will receive a one-time PIN on your registered mobile number. Enter the one-time PIN that you have received onto the screen. If you entered the OTP correctly, you will then be taken to the card PIN setup window. Enter your preferred 6-digit PIN number for your new ATM card. Wait for a minute or two as the machine prints your new card. Don't be fooled because the ATM card won't come out from that hole, as I've been staring and thinking it will pop the card. The card will eject from the front of the machine, and be sure to grab it before it gets taken back by the machine, and you'll end up paying for another card. And that's it. You now have your brand new GoTyme ATM card. Now, before you leave with your new ATM card, make sure that you log out your account from the machine. I hope that helps, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, your subscription means a lot for small content creators like me. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.